Well, just want to do a short video. Welcome back to Stevie Outdoorsman. I'll show you the new additions we got right here. We got some little lawnmowers, I call them. Rally, Murray, and the Craftsman. All three of them's Billy's, but we're going to weather two of them. And we may get that on the video too, but anyway, I just wanted to do a short video and show you what we got going on with what they got to eat and clean up around here. I'm using a Premier 1 fencing and an electric fence box. But that's actually a little bit right there. That's what the wife wanted to call it. Bucky and Whitey. They're about 11, 12 weeks old. But I think they're enjoying their new home. And we're loving having them around too. I'll show you their little shelter they can get in out of the rain right there. But yes, they got a lot to clean up. Well, until next time, have a good one.